Hi friends, welcome back to Determined Mom, and today is day number 9 of the 21-ish day declutter challenge, and we are in the bathroom and we are going to be working on the drawers of your vanity. So in this area I have things like hair products, makeup, um, some personal care items. So we're going to be going through those, getting rid of anything that doesn't belong here and keeping the things that do. So let's get started. So there's the first drawer down. Now we'll move on to the second drawer. All right, guys, so that concludes my drawers in the bathroom today. Most of everything that we are getting rid of out of those drawers belong in the trash. I do have these two items, a face mask and a thermometer, that actually belong in different areas of the home. So we'll be putting those in those areas and discarding the rest. All right, guys. Thanks for joining today. I'm so glad that you're doing this challenge with me. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. Have a great day, guys.